Now he said, do you want it spicy? I said, yes, please. And it was kind of a look like, are you sure you want it spicy? And he even asked me, do I want to mix it with a bit of mild? I said, no, spicy would be good. Well, let's have a little look at this. Okay, I see what he means. So I'm Steve from the Chippy Tour, and I review fish and chip shops nationwide, incognito. I don't charge for reviews, don't do reviews for free food, none of that. I'd just like to try to keep it as authentic as possible, so no special treatment for me, unfortunately. Now, in a previous video, I started this off from the front of the truck. As you can see in the back here, everything goes in. I'd love to be able to just maybe, I don't know, get on a bus. Actually, no, forget the bus thing, but turn up somewhere with just a little camera, just a little pocket three, and do a review in a restaurant or something like that. But that's not how this works. Maybe next year I'll put a few fish and chip shop restaurants or fish and chip restaurants in there and actually sit at the table and have my wife, camera woman, she can do the videoing, and we'll see how that goes. But it wouldn't be as authentic as this because they'll know I'm filming. So the chances are I might get a bigger fish, or I might get a bigger serving, I might get different kind of service. I don't know, but you know how it goes. So yeah, the table, the umbrella, everything, it all pulls out, the big brolly I should say, it all pulls out from here. And there's still enough room for a couple of suitcases. And SwiftOrder are supporting me on this mission to celebrate real, independent Chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commissions. If you'd like to take orders online, or you're fed up with paying high fees, SwiftOrder is an easy, reliable platform with one clear, low monthly cost. It's simple to use, and it's backed by a UK support team that's always there to help. Right, okay. Someone suggested I use that as my catchphrase. So I think, yeah, I mean, it's something I say at the beginning of everything, don't I, really? This is the Queen Vic in Blackburn. It's got a bit of car parking space here, which is always handy.
You get up and go, said sod it, so I'm going home.
Super friendly service. Facilities, got a nice toilet in there, plenty of seating in there, spotlessly clean. So what have I got? I've got their large fish and chips for £9.30. Pineapple fritter, 2 portions. I've got one here. My wife's got one in the cab. Regular mushy peas, regular spicy curry, both £1.50 each. £15.90 I've spent here. So let's get stuck into it. Straight into the fish and chips. Yeah. Oh, the size of that thing. Jeez, this is their large cod. Oh, there's a little bit more cod there. They've kept it separate with a piece of greaseproof paper, which I like. I like the idea of that. Nothing goes to waste with me. We've got a mountain of chips. I'm only going to put a few on here because the rest are going home with me. Okay, let's put that to one side. How good does it look? Looks pretty good. Well, that looks nice. Everything's quite oily, but at the same time, it's tasty. It's perfectly cooked at this end, but has dried out through this end. Still, it does have a nice flavour. And what's this bit of something here? Well, that's quite nice. Let's have a go at these chips. The chips are okay. A kind of sweetness to them. I can't place what it could be. Let's have a little go at their curry sauce. Now he said, do you want it spicy? I said, yes, please. And it was kind of a look like, are you sure you want it spicy? And he even asked me, do I want to mix it with a bit of mild? I said, no, spicy would be good. So let's have a little look at this. Okay, I see what he means. That has definitely got more than a little kick in it. But you know what? It's delicious. See, I mean, I'll eat a madras and things like that, which isn't the hottest curry I know, but it is still hot. And I'd compare the madras almost with the strength of this. The madras is stronger, but not by a lot. Not by a lot at all. That is nice. Let's go with these peas. Okay. First appearance. They look okay. They've been slightly seasoned. Let's try it with a bit of this. Yes, I could eat them, no problem. This is their pineapple fritter. You know what? That batter works well with that. So it's back to the computer. Now we're going to look at some reviews. A low one, someone in the middle, a high one, and mine. So we'll see you there. Now the Queen Vic, I've seen a few of these and I had to do a bit of a check because I wasn't sure whether they were connected. So I found 3. Zooming in on the logos, looking at the details, it's the same logo on 3 different places I've tried. So yeah, I'm going to have to go that way, aren't I? It was one of 3 that I'd located. And it was quite a big place. It really was. And there was a bit of car parking space. Lovely, friendly people in there. So let's get on with the review. 1 star. Cash only and couldn't get anything. Very disappointed. So I'm presuming couldn't get anything because the person didn't have cash. So that's probably what that means. There is a cash machine outside for those that have cards with them and want to withdraw cash. But I don't know whether it's a free cash machine or not. So if it's not, that wouldn't be so good. 3 star. Disappointed for the first time visit after being recommended by a friend. Positive thing. Friendly staff, plenty of choices on the menu, reasonably priced and on-site parking. Negative. Chips were below average quality. That should be the most important aspect of a fish and chip shop. That's their opinion, obviously. I'll probably give them another chance as I work nearby. Maybe I visited on a bad night and I like to try and be fair. Mine, 3 star. Blackburn is home to some truly impressive fish and chip shops, each offering its own twist on traditional chippy fare. Calling into the Queen Vic, I found on-site parking for around 6 vehicles. The shop itself is spacious, clean and tidy, with toilets and plenty of seating for diners. The service was warm, friendly and all smiles. I ordered the large Cod and Chips, which came as a generous portion. The batter had good flavour, though it was oily, and the fish itself was sizable, if overcooked and dry at one end. The chips were plentiful, with a pleasant buttery texture, but a subtle sweetness and flavour I couldn't quite place, which was a little off-putting. The mushy peas were smooth and well balanced, and the hot and spicy curry sauce, certainly hot, yet delicious. Cooking in oil, cash only, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.